Some more big news coming in. The Supreme Court on Monday will hear a plea filed by Nirbhaya convict Mukesh seeking permission to refile curative and mercy petition. Mukesh, in his plea, claimed that his court-appointed amicus curiae allegedly forced him to file petitions within 7 days of Delhi High Court's order there, even though Limitation Act allows 3 years' time after rejection of the review plea. Here is the convict there of Nirbhaya looking at another leeway to extend his death sentence. Supreme Court on Monday, in fact, will now hear a plea filed by the Nirbhaya convict Mukesh, who is seeking permission to refile curative and mercy petition. Mukesh in his plea has already claimed that his court-appointed amicus curiae allegedly forced him to file petitions within 7 days of the Delhi High Court order, even though the Limitation Act allows him 3 years' time after the rejection of the review plea. Let's quickly go over to Anisha Mathur joining us for more. Anisha, we're looking at Nirbhaya's convict quite naturally trying to get another leeway out, another loophole in the legal system there to see if they can extend their death sentence or just be safe. As long as the law has loopholes, they're going to use all of it. It seems like another one that Mukesh is trying there, and the Supreme Court is due to hear it soon.
Well, Nabila, the Supreme Court is set to hear this matter, but remember, it is a very interesting argument that Mukesh's lawyer is trying to create. Now, the Limitation Act doesn't actually have a set time period. It simply says that if there is no set time period for a particular kind of a plea, then 3 years' time should be taken as the time limit. Now, curative petition, whether or not curative petition will fall into this exception or not is something that Mukesh's lawyers are going to have to argue it out before the Supreme Court, because curative petition is something that has been created by the Supreme Court as a mechanism to give one last chance to persons in their cases.
Right.
ML Sharma, Mukesh in his argument is trying to say that he was forced into filing all these petitions even though he still has time. It is very unlikely that this matter, that this plea is going to be accepted, but it is going to be very interesting to see how exactly the laws and the loopholes are going to be used in this argument. Back to you.
Right, Anisha, thank you very much for joining us. Those details. It's going to be interesting what the Supreme Court observes. Another loophole there that Mukesh is trying to use, but it appears that they have already made up their mind.